Hey guys, welcome to another beauty review. So today we're actually reviewing a lip gloss. So honestly, I have tried this lip gloss. I'm currently wearing it right now. It feels so buttery, but let's get into it, right? So this is actually by the company Maybelline New York. It is their new lifter gloss. This is what it looks like. It has a sleek packaging. It has a nude top. And it is rectangle. I actually have two shades right here with me. This was in the shade 02 Gray Sweetheart. And it's it's orange. And then I also have this one in the shade Pearl, which is 001. So they all have the same color packaging. They all have these nude tops. And they feel actually high quality. Like, they don't feel like cheap plastic. Like, they're actually like a heavier, has some weight to it kind of plastic. So let's get into the glosses, shall we? Again, I'm wearing this one, Sweetheart. So very smooth. It has this big, long, like, doe foot applicator that actually holds a lot of product. Let me apply some more. So let me tell you guys some things about this lip gloss. I actually bought it at Rite Aid for $11 each, which is pretty steep for a lip gloss, but it does have some benefits. It has hyaluronic acid to fill in the lines on your lips to make your lips look more juicy and plump. And it feels amazing. It doesn't leave that stringy stuff. You know how like some lip glosses you put your lips together and it like strings up. It doesn't do that. And it's not sticky. It's literally so buttery smooth. But if you don't like coconut, you don't want this gloss because it is highly fragrant with coconut. It's not too overpowering for me. I like it. But some people don't like coconut. And it does have a sweetener in it because I can taste a little bit with my tongue. And it's kind of sweet. But don't eat your gloss, guys. But I'm just letting you know. It does have like a sweetener or something in it. It does taste sweet. But I recommend this gloss. I really do. Of course, I'll leave how many stars I give this gloss up here. I'm going to give this a 3-star out of 5. Because honestly, it would be a 5-star if it feels a little bit more cheaper. Now, you can find it on sale on like Amazon. I think I don't know if Ulta and them carry this product, but if they do, I'll leave a link down below to the product. So, but I will definitely rate this gloss a 3 out of 5, only because of the price, you guys. If it was $5 or $6, maybe it'd be 5 stars. 5 stars, but $11, that's kind of steep for a lip gloss. But you do get quite a bit of product. It is 0.18 fluid ounces. But don't let the packaging fool you because they make it look like you get way more product than you actually do. And another reason why I'm giving it 3 stars out of 5 is because it's kind of hard to close. Because how buttery smooth the lip gloss is, it kind of pushes the foot out. You see that? It just pops out. I don't know how to show you guys, but like when you put it in, it like wants to like not shut. So that's another reason. But other than that, I recommend these glosses. They are nice. If you have the budget for them, like I said, if you can find them on sale, these are definitely worth it. To give a good gloss, super smooth, non-sticky. They do last a whole day. Unless you're eating a bunch of stuff or whatever, then maybe it won't last all day, but it's nice. I like how it tints my lips a little bit. I really do like that about these glosses. So, 3 stars out of 5. Alright. Bye guys. See you guys in my next review.